Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Now today I'd like to share with you the 1947 Chicago coin pistol champ. I've had a couple emails in the last few months regarding this piece, if I could, share and do a video of it, so I thought I would today. This is one of my favorite gun games in the terms of just how beautiful it is. It's reminiscent and very similar to the basketball champ. It's Art Deco, beautifully laminated, looks like furniture. This is the second one that I've owned, and this one is just 100% original. Really, really beautiful artwork, and the wood is in just pristine order. Original instruction card. I did put a repro glass in it, and it's flawless. Inside, all the background art is original. Just all I did was really just went through the game and got it working right and detailed the inside artwork and just made it really, really nice. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration. I'm going to coin it up. See if I can kind of... What you're doing is shooting at, I think there's a turkey and a rabbit and a coyote and maybe some type of duck. So you got 4 targets. Here we go. Now there's the coyote, there's the turkey, which I missed. Let me try again. Got that, and there is the, I guess, the duck or pheasant. Back to the rabbit. Let's see if I can. Missed that. So I think you've got the idea. Just kind of primitive, but really cool penny arcade piece. Really neat artwork. Beautiful furniture-like cabinet. Just looks fantastic in your game room. And this is just a really mint working example of the 1947 Chicago coin pistol champ. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you a close-up look of kind of how it works and something about it. If you have any questions, please go to my website, www.torrencecollection.com. You can contact me through there. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.